My name is Thelma Kailiwai, and I live in Lancaster, California. The way I heard about the rock supply company is that I had problems with irrigation costs, the labor-intensive part of maintaining a lawn, and after several complaints to my yard guy, Juan Galvan, suggested that I contact Paradise Landscaping, take a look at their merchandise, the rock collection that they had, and take a look at replacing the lawn that I had with decomposed granite. I've had very little exposure to any kind of hardscape, and so when I heard decomposed granite, I imagined dirt. I imagined kind of a dull desert landscape. And so when I came here to the rock supply company, I realized that there's a variety and a diversity of products that really intrigued me enough for me to take the next step. Well, first of all, I did recommend it to my sister and my mother, and they took my advice. They're extremely happy. If friends were to ask me, I would be very quick. In fact, I think I've had people in my neighborhood ask me about it, and I've been very quick to say, this is where you go. If you want to convert to hardscape, this is where you go, and it's AV Rock Supply.